So welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and as I'm showing this DVD, a movie of which I'm very fond, and I will probably watch it later tonight as I haven't watched it in a while, you may well know where I'm going with this video. So quite a while ago, I bought this, and I opened it, looked at it, closed the box up. It's kind of been sitting on the shelf, and I was thinking it's about time I got it out, had a good look at it, and ran it on the layout. So this is the Rapido Titfield Thunderbolt Deluxe Train Pack, and we actually kind of look at it here. Here is the info. It's 922001, the deluxe pack, and it's sound fitted. So let's open it up and take a look. As we open up the box, the first thing we see is this very, very nice illustrated book that has photos from the movie and lots of information, pictures of the original engine, a lot of information in here. And I should read this. As I say, I have the movie, and the making of the movie is on the same DVD, which has lots of interesting information. But there are some beautiful pictures in this book, and was worth getting it just to get the book. So I'll look through that a little later, and I'll probably enjoy reading that. I probably won't get around to watching the movie tonight because I'm going to sit and read the book. So as we open up, we get the Thunderbolt Train Pack Owner's Manual, which has some information about what's in the box and how to run stuff. I see that there's the DCC functions list, so we'll get this on the rolling road, and we'll go through the DCC sound. So let's see what else is in here. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff. Some more really nice pictures from the movie. Exploded diagram there, and some more pictures. So what else do we have? We have the certificate of authenticity for the deluxe set. And there we have the contents. Let me zoom in a little bit. The locomotive, we have Dan's coach, and we have the brake coach. I believe that's what's in here. Yep. Thunderbolt, the Laureate Y machinery truck, number 41989, complete with Dan's house. And the towed brake van number W68740. So let's take these out and take a better look at them. So the other thing we have in here is we have some really nice painted figures. I'm not quite sure exactly who the figures are, but I'm sure I can look it up, and I'll put a note on the video as to who the figures are. But those are also very nice. Another little bag of accessories. We've got some red discs in there and what look like some levers of some sort. So here we see the contents. Let's start with the towed brake van. It looks fairly standard. Does have some nice detail. I noticed that the roof comes off, and we can see the detail on the inside of the brake van, which is nice. I think I get the light there so you can see that, and also nice detail on the veranda there, including the brake lever. And so this is very nicely done. Probably a little better than some of the standard brake vans that we see out there, but obviously it's Rapido, so expect a good product. Printing is great and easy to read there. You can see that. And then here we have the flat with Dan's house, which I think also does come apart. Maybe I need to take a quick look and see how we get that apart. I believe the roof should come off. Well, let me go look at that and see if we can get the roof off. And then here we have the locomotive. This is very heavy. There's a tremendous amount of weight in it. Tenders also probably got some die cast. That's heavy too. So hoping that this will run well. Let's look at some of the detail on here. The detail there on the firebox. Lots of nice separately fitted parts here as I look around this. Very impressive. So having read the instructions, these are actually the chimneys for Dan's house. One of them is an upright chimney and one of them is a laid down chimney. So we will fit one of those to his house. So Dan's house does come apart from the Laureate Y flat wagon, and also apparently we can open up and see the detailed interior of Dan's house. So let me see if I can get that open so we can see. There are just some little lugs on each corner of Dan's house, and by pulling those lugs out, got one more to do there, the interior comes out, and here we can see the beautifully detailed interior. Obviously not going to see that when it's running around, but it is incredibly beautifully detailed there. There's the dresser with the candelabra and cups and glasses on it, and the table and the couch, the chairs. Wow, and the stove. That is pretty amazing. Okay, well let's get the locomotive on the rolling road and we'll listen to the sounds. So I added the laid down chimney as I'm going to run this on the layout. There is a second chimney that would sit upright, but I'm put that one away for another time. I say there's also some discs in that pack too. So let's listen to the loco. I'll speed up a little bit. And I need the whistle. A little faster. And we'll change directions. Okay, let's go back to the forward direction. Quite know what happened there. There we go. Okay, so a lot of the other sounds are just spoken. So that's the DCC sound functions. Couple of interesting ones there. There's a safety valve and a water refill, a couple of clank, cold shoveling, but most of the rest of them are all just scenes from the movie. But, very pleased with this little Loco. It seems to be running pretty well. Need to let it run in for a little while, and then we'll go put it on the layout and just run it around. Let me just run it a little faster. Slow it back down. Okay, let me run it in and we'll put it in the layout. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed looking at Lion there in Titfield Thunderbolt guise from Rapido. I don't remember seeing too many reviews of this when it came out, but I just thought it would be fun to look at it and listen to the sounds and see it running. If you liked the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe button to the top right, and you'll see another video to the top left.